Namaskar, I am Dr. Smita Naram, founder of Ayushakti Ayurveda. My purpose of life is to improve your quality of life. Today, I am going to speak to you about chronic back pain. Most of the people after the age 30 would always one time or other time suffer from back pain. Nowadays, even 22, 23 years of age children, the youngsters, they already suffer because of the back pain. Generally, back pain is because of two things. Either you have a spondylitic changes or you have injury and there is a muscle spasm or muscle situation. So today I'm going to share with you about what to do if there is injury and muscle spasm. Whenever we get injury, generally body has the ability to repair. So sometimes you lift something in a wrong direction and suddenly there is a muscle pull, or sometimes you just put something on top and there is a muscle pull in the back, or different reasons, or you doing sports, skiing, football and this and that. And now generally what happens that body heals this injury by itself by creating a liquid which repairs and joins the muscles. This is very important, and it creates a kind of a capsule around the injured muscles to just protect your muscles till they are completely joined again. So there is a mild swelling. What happens that if there is in your body too much vata, which is like air, this vata dries up this capsule. And because of that, the secretion is not happening and the muscle don't repair. And then this pain remains chronic for long time. It doesn't heal by itself. Or sometimes because of mucousy amatoxins, this swelling becomes a bit more than what it could be, and that becomes a rubbery swelling and it stays there forever. But today what I am going to share with you will help you to get out of it. So Ayushakti has an Arthrox program which helps with every kind of muscle or bone pain. That contains diet, lifestyle, murmur points, treatments and different things. So in the chronic back pain especially, or even if you have a recent injury, immediately what you need to do is clear the toxins. So stay on mung and vegetable diet just for 5 days. That itself will help your body to repair. You will help your own body to accelerate the healing process. Stop wheat, red meat, deep fried, sour, fermented completely, because that will create more inflammation and we don't want to have that. Along with that, have a lot of soupy, liquid, watery food or sauteed vegetables, cooked vegetables, rice, quinoa, so no vata is produced. You can also apply this warm pack wherever there is injury or back pain. So in this you have to take around 1/4 cup of flour. You can take spelt flour or wheat flour, no problem in that. 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of ajwain seed powder. If you can find rasna, add rasna powder 1 teaspoon. Garlic paste, add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon in that. Asafoetida, the hing, 1/4 teaspoon. And add some water and cook it make it like a paste, a thick paste. And when it is lukewarm, that you can tolerate, apply this over the painful area and make 1/4 inch thickness pack and let it dry over there for almost 20 minutes, half an hour. When it is dried, put hot water bag on top of it or anything, that heating pad, and keep it for like half an hour, 45 minutes. And you can do this almost 2 or 3 times a day. Then you can wash it off. This will take away all the inflammation, but it also helps healing process. Whenever there is chronic back pain, I always recommend people to do couple of asanas every day as a lifestyle. One, that you cannot sit in one place for long hours if you have a back pain. So after every 10 minutes, just take a small round, or maybe after every 30 minutes, take a small round and get back to your place. So in the office, this is the regimen you have to follow. Cat pause and shoulder bridge is very relaxing for the back. But there are also several yoga postures that, if done regularly, can help relax your muscles. So one is Tadasana. Second one is Cobra pose, the Bhujangasana. Third one is Dhanurasana. Fourth one is Cobbler pose. And finally, of course, shoulder bridge. Also, you can lie down and do knee to chest. There is one home remedy you can do. In this, you have to take a tablespoon of gum arabica, a teaspoonful of ghee, half a teaspoonful of ginger powder, half a teaspoonful of ajwain powder, 1 teaspoonful of fenugreek seed powder, quarter teaspoonful of garlic paste. Along with that, 1 teaspoonful of asafoetida, 1 teaspoonful of turmeric, and roast this gum arabica in ghee. Add a cup full of water, let it boil, and then at the end, when everything is dissolved, add the spices. You can also sweeten it with honey or jaggery, and drink this warm like a soup 2 or 3 times a day. Ayushakti has a very powerful Pain Mukti MJ and Pain Mukti Sandikel and Pain Mukti cream formulas. These 3 formulas has a internationally published research reports in Alternative Medical Journal that they all 3 together combined, when taken for 3 months for a severe back pain or any pain in the body, any joint pain, knee, hip, anything. In that research report, it was found that 90% people who were dependent on painkillers because of their chronic pain, they naturally didn't need any painkillers after 3 months of taking them. Also, it was found that 80% people had a total relief from their chronic pain actually without need to take anything. Their flexibility improved. They could sit for long hours on the chair. They could stand for long hours without feeling any pain anymore. They could walk for a long time. This is what happened with them. And along with that, there was a great 100% improvement in the quality of life because they could sleep very well without pain for the whole night. The irritability reduced completely, depression, anxiety reduced, anger went away, happiness came in their life, and they could do their regular routine so easily that they felt very satisfied. So friends, if you have any questions, do write to us and we will be more than happy to help you. And if you are a practitioner or a doctor or a chiropractor and you want to learn how to heal people naturally, do get back to us. We will be much happy to set up a training program for you.